at this point, police are telling me that there were no signs of any alcohol or drugs at the scene of the accident, but of course we wait for an autopsy and a toxicology report to confirm that. But it appears that the high rate of speed Bironas was traveling seems to be the cause of this accident so far, but still learning much more about that. Now, of course, like I was saying, he was a star on the football field, graduated from Auburn, headed to the Titans in 2005. This would have been his 10th season, but he was released from the Titans back in March. He was the top scorer in the history of the Titans-Oilers franchise. He led the NFL with 35 in-season field goals in 2007 and set a franchise record with 4 game-winning field goals back in 2006. Now, shortly after that accident, on his verified Twitter account, Rob Bironas' family released this statement saying, quote, "It is with heavy hearts that we confirm the passing of Rob Bironas, number 2, of course, his jersey number. We appreciate your respect for the family's privacy and your prayers at this time." Now, Bironas was 36 years old. He had just married Rachel Bradshaw back in June. Rachel Bradshaw, of course, the daughter of Hall of Famer quarterback Terry Bradshaw. The Titans